Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question in exercise 8.2. Choose the correct option and justify your choices. There are 4 questions. Let's take the first one. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan squared 30. So first let's simplify that expression. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan squared 30. So 2 into tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3. The whole thing divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3, the whole square. So the numerator is 2 by root 3. Denominator is 1 plus 1 by 3. So if you simplify, it is 2 by root 3. The whole thing divided by 4 by 3. So for simplification, it is 2 by root 3 into 3 divided by 4. So you strike out, this is 2 times, this will be root 3. So the final answer is root 3 by 2. Since they didn't give it to you an option, let's see what's the options here. Sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30 is given to us. So we need to find out what value is root 3 by 2. So if you take sin 60, that value is root 3 by 2. So the answer is going to be equal to root 3 by 2. So the option is A. Now let's take up this second subdivision in it. 1 minus tan squared 45 by 1 plus tan squared 45. So let's evaluate this particular expression. 1 minus tan squared 45 divided by 1 plus tan squared 45. So the numerator is 1 minus 1 squared divided by 1 plus 1 squared. So the numerator is 0, so the whole fraction is 0. Now let's search out the options. It is tan 91 sin 45. So the last option was cos 90. So we have to choose cos 90 because cos 90 is 0. So it is option D. Now let's look at the third question here. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to dash. So first let's evaluate the data. So sin 2a is given to be equal to 2 sin a, and we need to find out for what value of a this is going to be there. So sin 2a is actually nothing but 2 sin a cos a. Now this is given as equal to 2 sin a. So let's strike out the common terms. 2 and 2 gets vanished. Sin a and sin a gets vanished. So this tells us that cos a is equal to 1. Cos a is 1 only when theta is going to be equal to 0 degree. Therefore, a should be equal to 0 degree. We are looking at that particular option, which is option A. Now let's look at the last subdivision. It's 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan squared 30. So first let's evaluate this particular expression before we conclude which choice is correct. So it is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan squared 30. So this is 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole squared. So it is 2 by root 3, the whole thing divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So if you look at it, it is 2 by root 3 divided by 2 by 3. So if you flip and write, it is 2 by root 3 into 3 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This will become root 3. So the option is root 3. So let's compare and see. You have cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30. We know that tan 60 is root 3. So in this case, the answer is option C. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in exercise 8.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.